welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, what we're gonna be doing today is I'm planning to get my car tuned on Monday. Today is currently Saturday, so I'm planning to get my car tuned on Monday. And before I get it tuned, my tuner actually wants to check out the car and make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. He wants to look over it for boost leaks, all that good stuff, so the tune can go a lot smoother. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But before we go down there, I'm actually going down to my buddy's house. If you guys remember, a couple of videos ago, they were all working on their DSMs. He's the one that has a silver GST that he was doing a turbo manifold and the external wastegate. Well, he's doing his front mount intercooler today. So I'm gonna go stop by for a little bit, and see what they're up to, and get you guys a little bit of footage of his car. So yeah, we're rocking the Evo today. Left the DSM at home because doing some work on it. But yeah, guys, as soon as we're done there, then we'll go ahead and go down to my tuner's house, and then he can go over everything. But I'll catch you guys when I get there. Alrighty, guys, we showed up. Got the boys working here. What up? What up? Kevin Triple G. Alright, bro, let me see your intercooler. Check out the mean ass intercooler. You got. Damn. Hella clean. He's also doing electronic boost controller, so he did all his. Here's his solenoid. He did all the steel braided lines for the wastegate, and then right now they're throwing on some couplers for the intercooler piping. And then you're also doing your flex fuel.
Flex fuel. It's gonna go all the way down here.
He's gonna be doing flex fuel and all that stuff because he's trying to also get tuned on Tuesday. So 700 horsepower coming soon. And then a sick ass intercooler pipe. Fresh boy.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's perfect, yeah.
Money. How much have you spent, bro, so far?
Don't even know, man. Don't even ask.
Alrighty, guys. So I left my buddy's house where we were just chilling and talking and stuff. So I didn't really record much, just that little clip what you guys saw. But I'm currently on my way to the tuner's house. I'm almost at his place, and I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Alrighty, so we pulled up to Anthony's crib. Big shout out, man.
What's up, man?
Helping me out, hooking it up. So he's checking everything. He went ahead and checked my pistons. He's checking everything to make sure everything's good in the day of the tune, everything flows right. So right now he's loading my tune to make sure everything's probably doesn't look right, but he's gonna work his magic and hook it up. Alrighty, guys, what is going on? It is currently a week since I was at my tuner's house. Today is official tune day, so I'm currently at the gas station. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some E85 E54 here what we have in Arizona, so we can start the tune there at his house. So yeah, guys, so I'm right here. I'm gonna throw some E54 in the jug, and then we'll be heading to his house. And man, I'm excited and nervous at the same time. It's always I always get nervous when these things, but it has to be done, and I want to see this thing make some power. So I'm gonna go do that real quick, and then I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, guys, got my juggy right here. Got her filled up with some E85. That's just to get us started, and then we'll make it to a gas station so we can fill her up. But this should get us going for now. And well, here we go. Wish me luck, guys. I'll be there in a little bit. I'll see you guys when I pull up. So I've made it to my destination. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Here's the man himself. Him and Mr. J.A. Tuner are gonna give it the sauce, so it finally runs good. So right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch out my injectors. We're gonna take off.
Do a speed density intake.
The speed density intake. So he's pulling off my intake. We're gonna use that one. And you said it helps it do what?
Well, you're at a 3-inch intake now, and your turbo's a 4-inch inlet, so gonna give it all the air now.
Hell yeah. So we're gonna do that, change the injectors, and then yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Alrighty, see if you guys can hear me. New injectors are in. The intake. We got the blowout valve vented. So right now we're gonna go ahead and set my TPS.
So TPS, yeah, we'll be ready to tip. So
we're gonna do that real quick, and then I'll catch you guys when we're on the road. Alrighty guys, this is the first fill up on this kind of on E. So still getting everything. So here we go, let's do this. I'm excited guys. Alrighty guys, a little bit of more boost.
We were on 15 pounds at last pull.
We were on 15 pounds at last pull. We're gonna see what it does now.
On school up and 11.3, 11.4 to red line. We're doing this till we get it pretty close.
Engaged.
Then we'll go to third gear once we get second gear.
Alrighty guys,
down.
another second gear pull. Number 4. That one felt a lot stronger.
Yeah, that's a little bit of timing and a little more boost.
Number 5. That was 29 pounds.
Stop on boost.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna do a
First third gear.
first or third?
No, our first third gear.
Our first third gear pull. We've been doing second gear pulls, so now it's our third gear pull. Definitely pulls way the fuck harder than what it was.
Now you got real fuel in it.
Yeah, bro, shit.
That's still low timing. Like I said, we just work our way up with boost.
Alright, here we go, guys. Another third gear pull.
Second, third gear pull.
Second and third gear pull. This shit feels good, though. I tell you guys, it feels way better than what it was. He's convincing me to go with cams and what'd you say, valve springs?
With cams and valve springs, we'll gain another 1,000 RPM in the rev limiter, and we can run more boosts as it won't valve flow since it's not gonna have stock valve springs.
So I think that's what's gonna be next. Get some cams, some valve springs, get a better clutch, and what else? It's just the third gear pull. Now we're gonna do a 1 second and third.
And we're gonna test no lift shift since you don't know about that life.
He's gonna test the no lift shift, so.
Shit's sick, bro. Damn. I don't know if you noticed before, like when you shift, it'd be like it kind of jerks between gears.
Oh yeah.
You have to let out. Now you don't. It'll hold boost between gears better, and it'll let you shift faster.
Shit's sick.
Only thing is, like you said, you're gonna have to upgrade your clutch and faster.
So now we're checking launch control. Let's hear it. Nah, bro. It's loud though.
There we go.
Alrighty, guys. So these are some numbers. He's gonna explain to us real quick what it is.
So when we start doing third gear pulls, we start saving the logs and doing power pulls. This was where we started on our first third gear pull. This is where we ended. So it goes in order of the pulls we did. We ended at 524 horsepower and 389 torque, I think.
So we're at 524 horsepower, 382 foot-pounds of torque, and shit, I couldn't be happier. That's fucking sick. It feels fucking good. So.
Look at the AFR curve, how flat it is.
Is it this one?
Flat. This is the AFR curve here.
And then your boost curve super flat too. So that's pretty good.
Hell yeah. he was playing with me and he told me I only made 460 and I was like, shit.
Bullshitting him, I'm like, no way.
And then he pulls this up, so fuck yeah, I'm excited. Big shout out. Alrighty guys, it is currently the next day. Yesterday when I got home after the tune, my camera died, so I just got home and then called it a night. But yeah guys, the Evo made it home safe. She's good and she's running hella strong. I'm really happy with the results of what she made. So it was a 524 horsepower and 382 torque, I believe. I want to give a big thanks to jatuned for giving the Evo the sauce. It's like a complete different car. This morning I went to the store and it's just a complete different car. Like it feels nothing to what it was like. And then the E does make makes a big difference, and it just drives awesome. Another big shout out to Anthony, for driving the car and for helping me, with the injectors, for helping me, wire everything up for my electronic boost controller, because I had a manual boost controller. He switched it to a electronic boost controller. He wired my wideband to my ECU. He just helped me with a bunch of things and getting the car ready for the tune. He also hooked it up with a jumper helmet for my for the speed density, an intake, a 4-inch intake. So just big shout out to them. Thanks for helping me out. I really appreciate you guys. And man, the car runs awesome. I'm really happy with the results. And that's all I want. Just a reliable, fun car, and I'm happy with it. So let me show you guys something real quick. I have the DSM in here. video coming out for this soon. I'm not done with it yet, but you guys probably seen on my IG, I pulled out all my interior to just get it cleaned up. So that video should be out after this one, maybe like a couple of days later. So let me show you guys something though. Alrighty guys, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So as you guys know, I was on these 1000cc injectors, that I broke my car in with, and then when I was gonna get tuned, I was gonna switch to these 1800s that I purchased from Map Performance. These are 1800s low impedance injectors, and so the whole plan was, you know, after I got before I started the tune, we were gonna switch from these to these for the tune. And when we decided to switch to these injectors, you know, brand new, straight out the box, you know, I slapped them on, and the car started misfiring. So we're like, well, you know, what the heck? We started going through everything. We started checking plugs, we started checking spark, make sure my coils were firing right. We started checking, you know, make sure the plug to my injector was getting power and all that stuff. And it turned out to be a faulty injector. So one injector was not working, was not spraying, and it was causing my car to misfire. So that really sucks, because, you know, these are brand new. I purchased them literally, and they went from the box on my car, and they didn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and contact them, and you know, see what they can do for me. But we ended up figuring it out. We got another set of injectors, and we made it work. But that really sucks. But like I was telling you guys, car runs awesome. Let me show you guys some of the things that we changed. So some of that things I changed, I no longer have my MAF, you know, now I have a intake. My blow-off valve is vented to the air. What else? You know, we have the whole speed density sensor now, and I mean, that's pretty much it. Just no MAF. You no longer have the big old MAF right here, and my blow valve is vented. So, you know, that's pretty cool. And we're on E now. So, also have to change the seal on my oil cap, because it's every time it goes into boost, it's spraying. So yeah, guys, I'm happy with the turnout, and I'm happy with the results, and you know, that's all that matters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my bay a little bit, clean up my wiring on the engine bay and the Evo, and then we should be good. But that is gonna be the end for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the little clips of the pulls that I got. I didn't get to record too much, you know, because we were just trying to get the injectors to work and this and that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please hit that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys do not follow me on IG, please go follow me at 4G63Addict. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the video for the DSM coming out shortly. And also another thing, parts are starting to stack up for this 2G that we have outside. Pistons are here, so now we have pistons. Now we can get rolling. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. We have a bunch of stuff coming up with my 1G, the 2G that's outside, and this 2G that needs to be finished. I have another Evo that I have to do a couple of maintenance things on, like water pump, timing belt. But stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys have a good one.